Welcome back to the channel today, everyone. Today we are going to be checking out a plugin for OBS. I know there are a lot of plugin videos out there for OBS, but I think you'll enjoy this one. I did a video a while back about choosing between OBS and Streamlabs, and today I'm going to tell you, you don't have to make that choice anymore. If you like the functionality and all the features that are available inside of OBS, Streamlabs actually created a plugin for OBS that lets you use all the features, overlays, alerts, all of the features that were only available inside of Streamlabs desktop, and now you can use those inside of OBS without having to run any other software, and it only takes a simple plugin. We're going to go through it. We're going to show you how to set it up. We're going to install some overlays for you, how to do some tests for alerts, and a few other features that are available through the Streamlabs OBS plugin. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Streamlabs website and download the Streamlabs plugin for OBS. It is just a simple plugin download, so hit the download button. It's going to download it to your computer. Once you did it downloaded, you're going to go ahead and install it. It's going to ask you to restart OBS, and then whenever you restart OBS, you're going to notice that at the top of your OBS application there is going to be a new tab for Streamlabs as well. So once you get the plugin installed, it's going to ask you to restart OBS, which is what we did. Then you're gonna have to go through the process of logging into your Twitch account or whatever account you're using to log into Streamlabs. If in the event that you have a Streamlabs ID, however, I only use a Twitch account to log into the Streamlabs website. Once you go through the initial setup process, it's gonna ask you whether you want to use the ultra paid plan or the free plan. We chose the free plan, and then you're gonna read it with this screen right here. It's gonna allow you to install widgets, overlays, widget themes, stream labels. It's going to do your CloudBot tipping as well, and also if you have the paid version of Streamlabs Ultra, it's going to allow you to multi-stream from different platforms inside of OBS. We'll go through them real quickly, and then we'll go back to the overlay section. But there is our widgets tab right here. So let's choose widgets, and it's going to give you a lot of different options in here that you can add: widgets, events, lists, alert boxes. You can go through all of these different options, and it will automatically install these inside of your OBS. And then you have overlays as well. Overlays, let's go filters. We're going to go free because I do not have the paid version of Streamlabs. We'll go animated as well because animated, I like the animated overlays. And it gives you a bunch of different overlays that you can choose from. A lot of these are for charity events and things, but there are some other ones as well for gaming, different types of platforms. You can get the Pride Neon, LGBT, and a lot of charity packages. As I was saying, you use Pride Month together well, but there are just so many different overlays that you can choose from. Let's go down here to the bottom and find some of the additional overlays that are available to us inside of Streamlabs. As you can see, we just scroll through, and there's again a bunch of different ones that you can choose from. Here we go. Here's some of the gaming ones as well. MTG Arena. We've got some Alloy ones as well. There's TV Suitcase. Just bunches and bunches of different overlays. So let's pick one of these overlays and we'll install it. Once we install it, it's going to ask you to restart OBS. It will install everything from the overlay pack inside of your OBS. So once you find one that you want to install, all you have to do is click on, this is the Dread Choir. I actually chose this one earlier. That way we could use it for today's video. And these are the event things that are available for it. So you have a starting soon screen, be right back screen, and then you have your main game screen as well. All you have to do is click install overlay. Once you click that install overlay button, it's going to go through the process of installing all of the overlay features inside of OBS, and then it asks you to restart OBS. That way it will activate inside of your program. So let's go ahead and close this window down, and we're going to show you exactly what we're talking about. So here's our scene collection. It installs a brand new scene collection. So you're going to go down here. In the event, what we have here is Dread Choir. So let's choose that. And there we have Dread Choir that is activated inside of OBS. Once you do that, you can click on different ones. There's our camera. That is my secondary camera right there. We have a blank scene as well. There's just a blank scene. We have our Be Right Back, our Starting Soon, and our live scene with the different events like chat box. We have our camera. We have across the top up here, we have different events, sub count, recent donations. And then we have just a pretend or mock background in the event that we were playing games. If you notice in the live scene, it adds all your alert boxes, adds your follower train, all the information you see located across the top. All that is installed right here. You can scroll through and just look at the different things, and there is our background that is currently showing. But it installs the chat frame box, the webcam frame. Same thing for our Be Right Back screen. There is the animation for our Be Right Back screen. There is animation for our Starting Soon screen as well. And in the event you don't like this one, you can go back into Streamlabs again, bring that same box back up, choose different themes as well. Again, we have widget themes right here. So whatever particular one you're looking for. So let's go free, all widgets, and you'll be able to find some widgets that go along with whatever pack you're looking at. So right here, all of the different widget themes. Then you have stream labels, which adds all of the necessary sources for the events inside of OBS that you have shown on the screen for the particular layout or overlay that you have chosen. Then we have our cloud bot as well. We can set it up. That way we can, manage our cloud bot information. It requires you to actually go to the Streamlabs website. Then we have our tipping page as well. You can set up your own tipping page from PayPal, PayPal Lite, and Stripe. And then we have our multi-stream options for Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Trovo, and Twitter. And then also across the bottom, if we want to test our alerts out, we go to test events. Let's go Streamlabs or Twitch, either one, whatever platform you're currently using. So let's go to Twitch. Let's go to subscription. And a test, as you can see, test event was issued. And it should show up as an alert on your scene whenever you do this. So let's just say we wanted to make sure our alerts were working. So let me move this box out of everyone's way. Go back to our live scene. And if the overlay had an included alert package, it would go ahead and use that alert package that you currently have. So let me go to test events one more time. We're going to go to Twitch and we're going to go to subscriptions. And it should send an alert to our OBS for us to see. There is our alert, new subscriber, Kevin. And that is just how simple it is to set up the Streamlabs plugin inside of OBS. It is so simple, simplistic now. So if you like some of the features that are available only to Streamlabs and don't want to use the Streamlabs desktop, you now have the option to use them very easily inside of Streamlabs for setup, for your overlays, for your alerts, all of that combined into one. Not only does it have the option to install overlays, widgets, themes for OBS, you can go to docs and it will actually add 2 separate docs for your Streamlabs, one of which is Streamlabs recent events. Previously, the only way to get Streamlabs recent events inside of OBS, if you notice down here at the bottom, I had to create a custom link or a custom browser doc to be able to show. So now all of that is integrated inside of there. So now you can just click that and it will add the Streamlabs recent event to the top. Go back to docs one more time. And then all you have to do is find Streamlabs chat. And it will add your Twitch chat as well inside of OBS with just a simple clickable button. But anyway, this is how you set it up. This is how you install the Streamlabs plugin for OBS. Very easy, very simple to set up. If you enjoyed this video, let me know and leave a comment down below. If you're looking for some more videos like this, we'll try to get them done as well. But anyway, until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.